Want to buy something big without going broke? Whether it's a car, the latest iPhone, or even a laptop, saving smartly can help you afford it without stress or debt. Many people jump into big purchases without a plan, leading to unnecessary financial strain. But today, I will show you a simple, foolproof strategy to save for big purchases without breaking the bank. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Like this video to help more people learn smart saving tips. Subscribe for weekly money hacks. And comment below what's the biggest purchase you are saving for. Now let's get started. Tip number 1. Set a clear goal. The first step to smart saving is knowing exactly what you are saving for. Ask yourself, what am I buying? How much does it cost? When do I need the money? For example, if you want to buy a laptop that costs 500,000 naira in 6 months, you now have a clear saving target and deadline. Pro tip: write down your goal and keep it somewhere visible. It helps you stay accountable. Tip number 2. Break it down into monthly savings. A big number can feel overwhelming, so let's break it down. The formula you use is the total cost divided by the number of months equals to the monthly savings goal. For example, if your laptop costs 500,000 naira and you have 6 months, then you take 500,000 naira and divide it by 6, and it will give you 83,300 naira per month. Pro tip: if that amount feels too high, extend your timeline to make it more manageable. For instance, if 83,300 is too high to save a month, try doing 10-month savings. So then you will have to divide 500,000 by 10, which will give you 50,000 naira per month. Tip number 3. Use high yield savings account or investment tools. Don't just save, let your money grow. The best way to maximize your savings is by 1. High yield savings account, where you can get higher interest rates on your money. Number 2, treasury bills. Earn more compared to regular savings accounts. Number 3, fixed deposit. Lock in your savings and prevent spending temptation. By earning interest on the money, you will find that at the due date, you will have more money than you needed in the first place, giving you additional funds you can use for something else. Pro tip: choose an account that pays interest but still lets you access your money when needed without any penalties. Smart saving equals to no debt. With a clear goal, a solid plan, and the right saving strategy, you can make big purchases stress-free. What are you saving for right now? Drop a comment below. Want more saving and wealth building tip? Grab a copy of my book, Rich, Young, and African. Links in the description and comment section. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep building wealth.